So just take a second and look at how the mechanism went by, okay? And then we'll go back to where the question is and trying to figure out what will be the product, okay? Okay, now let's flip back and go see what the question was about. Now that we've seen the mechanism was all about alpha halogenation of ketones. So you have a ketone, we are just going to halogenate the alpha carbons of the ketone. When you say the alpha carbons, right, this is where the ketone functional group is, right? This is the carbon with the ketone functional group. Just cover that one, and all the other carbons will have, you know, letters to it. So the first carbon attached to where the ketone is will be the alpha carbon, okay? So you have the alpha carbon, this will be your beta carbon, right? Because this is a second carbon all the way from where the carbon with the ketone functional group is, okay? On the same way, if you look on the other side, right? This side too will be an alpha carbon. That's right? Because this carbon is directly attached to the carbon with the ketone functional group. So this will be an alpha, this will also be an alpha. This will be a beta, this will also be a beta. And this guy can be a gamma carbon, right? So now that we know that the product that we will form will be an alpha halogenated ketone, okay? This is a ketone and this is your halogen. This halogen has to be at the alpha position of the ketone, right? So let's look at A. So we have alpha, beta, okay? So A, the bromine is at the alpha position. So is this correct or wrong? I would say it's correct. So if you chose A, that means you are right, okay? How about B? B has the halogen at the beta carbon. Would that make B correct or wrong? I would say not quite, okay? Because the product has to form at the alpha position, because the double bond, when we saw it, when we created the Enol, which is the double bond, was formed between the alpha carbon and the carbonyl group. How about C? When we look at C, we see that bromine is attached at the alpha position on the other side. So that means that C is also correct. And that will make D an incorrect, because bromine is attached at the beta carbon. So this will be the product, right? We have our ketone functional group, we have the bromine at the alpha position. In this space, we will simply put either A or C. So you have your compound. You draw the ketone, and you have the bromine at the alpha carbon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.
Me mix acid base boom reaction. Atom they dance like party attraction. KokoChem class be sweet like Cheeto. Learning they enter head pass and no coco.